Amanda here, and today we are going to unbox the Kinder Beauty July 2021 subscription. They're doing like 2 versions of the subscription now. I get a link sent to me in my email to choose which one I want. I never actually remember which one I actually end up choosing, so hopefully this is the one I picked. I don't even remember. But I don't know if they do that for everyone or if you have to be subscribed for a certain amount of time. I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and check out the vegan beauty goodies that have come in this month's box. So, per usual, they send you the card that they could easily print all this information on, but instead they send you to a link on the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up on my phone so I can read you the descriptions, and then we will get started. Okay, I've got the items descriptions pulled up on my laptop instead of my phone, because I don't know why I didn't just say I was going to do it on my laptop, because it's literally sitting right next to me. But yeah, I got the Summer 11 box, so we're going to go through the products that come in that box, and let's get started. So the first item on top are from Pure Soul, and they are the Perk Up Hydrogel Eye Masks with gold and hyaluronic acid. So I think I chose this box because of these little eye mask things, because I just think they're fun. So let me read to you the description of these. This is a $4 value, vegan, cruelty free, clean beauty. I'm not going to keep telling you if it's got a clean beauty thing next to it, because you know what? I think calling something clean means absolutely nothing. What the hell does that even mean? Anyway, 'tis the season of fine lines. Stay golden with the Pure Soul Perk Up Gold Eye Mask, a cooling mask that gives that delicate eye area some summer love, using a combo of brightening gold, moisturizing hyaluronic acid, and hydrogel to lock it all in. The mask reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for bright, youthful eyes. Want an extra treat on a long summer day? Cool it in the fridge before use. So I've had these kind of eye gels before, and they're just cooling, and I find them very refreshing and just kind of fun to use. So I'm glad I got those. Next we have from Plant Fusion the Complete Plant Collagen Builder in the flavor Rich Chocolate. So I've had plenty of items come in boxes from Plant Fusion before. I try them all. They're all perfectly sufficient. I haven't repurchased any of them though, but I do like getting these to try out, and I like when they send chocolate stuff because I like to mix that with some coffee and make like a mocha smoothie. That's just how I like to do it. So let me read you a description. This is a $3.39 value, and it says, in the world of skin and hair care, drinking collagen powder is like taking an ultimate shortcut. Plant Fusion's Collagen Builder goes 2 steps further than traditional collagen products by building collagen protein, hydrating skin and joints, and protecting natural collagen in the skin. I don't know how it does all that. I can't verify if it does all that, but that's what it says it does, and I'm probably going to use it in a smoothie of some sort. So 2 items so far I will use, so we're 2 for 2. Next we have from Charlotte Cook Cosmetics the lip gloss in the color Brooklyn. So here's the packaging for that. This is a $19.99 value. It's a woman-owned company. That's pretty cool. Let me get this out of here and swatch it for you. Here is the tube, just a standard lip gloss tube, and when you swatch it, it is a very sheer pink with shimmer. I don't even know if you'll see anything but shine on there because it's super sheer. So the description: if a lip balm and a lip gloss had a baby, this would be it. Charlotte Cook's line of lip glosses moisturize, nourish, and soothe your lips like a balm, but deliver all the gorgeous shine and wearability of a lip gloss. Plus, it's made without parabens, beeswax, mineral oils, plastic, or other toxins. So I wonder what the shimmers are made of. Interesting. Try it in the low-key Brooklyn shade, a fan favorite. So I wonder if, because they're really pointing out that this is Brooklyn, if the other box ended up getting a different color. Actually, I can look. Let's just look. So the other box got the color Georgetown. So it looks like that might be a little more nudie. This one's a little more pinky, I think. Not that any of that matters, but if you had Georgetown, let me know how you're liking that color, because I'm very curious. So next item here in the box is the Franklin and Whitman Cuticle Serum, Nourishing Formula, Sicilian Lemon and Eucalyptus. So that's cool. I haven't been using a cuticle specific product. Let's see, it's not really focusing on packaging. There we go. I haven't been using a cuticle specific product, but I really should take better care of my hands. I make sure I lotion every night before bed and stuff, but I haven't been giving my hands a specific amount of attention, so that should be interesting. This is a $21.95 value. You've deep conditioned your hair, now deep condition your nails. This cuticle serum combines lemon, tangerine, and eucalyptus essential oils with avocado, jojoba, sweet almond, castor, grapeseed, and apricot kernel oils, plus vitamin E for stronger, healthier, delicious smelling nails, toenails, and cuticles. It's pure luxury in a bottle. So I would just say, because it has all those sensitizing oils in it, make sure you are done touching your face for the night before you put this on. I would definitely make this a bedtime routine type of product, but something I'm interested in for sure. So 4 for 4. Next we have from 3 Ships, it's the Purify Aloe and Amino Acid Cleanser. So it's cleanser. You know what I say around here about cleansers. I don't think it's gonna focus. I always love getting a cleanser because I will always absolutely use a cleanser. This particular one is from a woman-owned company and is a $4.75 value. Summer's #1 essential, aloe. Perfect for sunburns and inflammation. This gel from this plant. The gel from this plant, sorry, is our favorite ingredient in everything this season. In a stroke of genius, the 3 Ships Purify Aloe and Amino Acid Cleanser put this must-have into a cleanser, so it's incorporated straight into your daily skincare routine. It also contains 10 amino acids that help lock in moisture. Plus, stay cool as a cucumber with its hydrating cucumber extract. Now, you're going to use this to clean your face and wash it all off with water. So the aloe, the amino acids, I highly doubt they're going to do anything to benefit your skin whatsoever, but I do love getting cleansers, so I'm happy about that. The last item in the box is the Malu SPF 30 Protecting Day Cream. Yeah, so I guess it is a SPF sunscreen moisturizer. Now this is a woman-owned company and is a $42 value, so this is the big honkin' winner of the box as far as price goes. Give your skin a beach vacation. The Malu Protecting Day Cream uses the power of traditional Hawaiian healing and medicinal herbs to protect and nourish your skin for a day on the Big Island. The Laukai plant nourishes, the noni fruit provides the antioxidants, and the non-nano zinc oxide brings the SPF, plus it uses only reef safe ingredients, bringing the aloha spirit to you and the planet. So that's pretty cool. Let's tuck into this box. It's such an interesting box. The opening is not on the top, it's on the back here. And I can't get it open. I'm just ripping it. I'm just ripping it. So it opens up and it's got like a little decor and a little write-up about the product. That's very interesting. Here's what it looks like. I'll always use SPF as long as there isn't anything crazy in it. But I would have to read through all the ingredients and I don't see them. Here we go. Let's just do a brief look over the ingredients. So far looks good. There is orange peel extract. That makes me nervous. Why would you put orange with a... Orange is very sensitizing, so why would you put that in a sunscreen? I'm not too sure on that. Jasmine oil. Yeah. So those two things alone make me nervous to use this on my face. I'll probably end up using this on the body, but it is sunscreen, so it will get used in this house because this is me with the tan. Look how pale I am. This is me with a tan. I wish I was lying. Like, look, I've got a little white stripe from where I've been wearing my Fitbit. But anyway, overall, I would say this is a pretty good Kinder Beauty box. All of these products I will actually use, which that is the biggest thing for me. Will I use the items? If the answer is yes, then it's a successful box for me. I would prefer to actually use them in the capacity they're intended, which is for your face, in the case of the most expensive item that came. But if I will at least get use out of them, that makes me happy. So I think the June 2021 box was pretty good. You'll have to let me know what you think. Did you get this one? Did you get the other one? I think the other one did have a couple different products besides a different color gloss. And overall, I'm just happy to be filming this video for you guys. It's been a crazy couple of months and I'm really enjoying filming today. So I will talk to you all later. Thumbs up, comments down below, subscribe.